Proper storage of laminates is important to reduce damage and wastage. Let's see how to do it. Laminates come in rolls. So first, it is important to place them between substrate boards for 48 hours in room temperature. This straightens the rolls into straight and uniform sheets. The sheets should always be stored horizontally with the top sheet turned face down. A thick hardboard should always be placed on top and bottom of the sheets to protect the material from possible damage and reduce the chances of getting warped. Laminate sheets should be protected from moisture and should never be stored where they may come in contact with the floor or the sidewall. HPL sheets should be stored in enclosed warehouses where normal conditions are maintained. Do not store materials outside or in locations where they may be exposed to water or high humidity. Never slide the sheet as it will damage the product. Always lift it vertically while moving it from one place to another. It is recommended that 2 people should carry a full-size sheet, as even a small mistake can damage the decorative surface. Stored laminate stock should be rotated such that older sheets will be used first. Do follow proper storage instructions for best results.